A little birdie told me that you want to create a digital product in 2026 that actually makes you money online. Today, that little bird is answering you, and I'm going to give you one of my best-selling print-on-demand products that you can turn around and sell today for money. And I'm also going to show you keyword titles that you can use, keywords in the descriptions, and keywords in your Etsy tags. So I have discovered a new digital product site called Tapstitch. It's amazing, and I love the different quality items that you can create on here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a sweater that will sell for your audience online. And all you have to do is just do a little bit of research, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So if you're interested in making money in 2026 because you cannot solely rely on your job anymore, this video is for you. This channel is for you. Like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So one thing that I like to start with is I go into the Etsy search bar and I typed in cute sweater sayings. This just gives you a little input into the kind of products you can create. And as you see, there's a lot of bookish sweaters. So the bookish content is always selling high on Etsy, and that is what we are going to create today. But it just gives you inspo in case you want to try other things that maybe have sarcastic humor or little things like that. So after doing a little bit of research, I have decided on a fun little bookish saying, and that saying is going to be certified bookish girly. These are just simple sayings. I've seen it a lot on Etsy before, and there's fun different ones now, as you can see, but that's what we are going to create. So I'm going to go into Canva and I'm going to show you the next steps that I do there. And then from there, I'm going to show you how we design it, how we upload it onto Tapstitch. And then I'm going to give you the keywords as promised so that you can turn around and sell one yourself. Let's get designing. Just get Canva ready, get your notes ready, and let's go. So when you first get into Canva, it can sometimes be confusing, but you're going to go over to templates and you're going to type in sweater. It will give you some examples. I'm just going to click that first one because we can actually turn around and use that as a mock-up later on. But for this one, I'm not going to do that, but I'm just going to add on a second page and I'm going to change the background to dark. From there, I'm going to select text, and this is where I'm going to write certified bookish girly. I love the font that I chose. I think it's super clean and it's actually one of my brand fonts, so I always have it there. But you can change the font if you want on the sidebar. There's so many to choose from. And if you want free fonts, just use this website called fontesk.com. But I'm going to go into elements and I'm going to type in cute star because I just want to add little fun, cute elements to this design to make it a little less boring. So I clicked that one. I love it. And you can change the colors at the top, but I love the pink. So I'm going to keep it like that. There's a whole bunch of different ones. Like you can use bows, but because this is bookish themed, I'm going to type in book and I'm going to pick another one that I like. I have a Canva Pro account, but you can use free elements as well. I picked the reading duck because I've seen it on designs before and I just thought it was super cute. And I like how small you can make them in the corner. I just think it makes it look extra nice. And I'm just going to highlight them all to drag them just to be a little bit bigger. From there, you're going to hit share, you're going to hit download, and then transparent background. That's how you're going to download it so that it's just the text with the images that we are saving. And then we're going to go to Tapstitch. So once you create an account in Tapstitch, you are going to hit My Store and you'll see that you can connect so many different kinds of stores. I already have mine connected, so we're just going to go over to the catalog, but you just follow the steps. The great thing about the design that we created is that there's so many that we can choose from, and I like to pick bestsellers, but I kind of like this wash effect, so I think we're going to pick that one, but yeah, we're going to pick that one. So I'm going to hit design now. And then from there, you can upload your image in the upload button. I have already uploaded it, so I'm just going to add it. But from here, then you can drag it to however big you want it, honestly. You can preview it, but I like to keep mine kind of big, and you can even add it to the back. But for this design, I'm just going to keep it in the front like so. And it's that simple. There's even some free images that they give you here as well. So if you don't really want to create, you can even just play around with these. But I'm happy with this, so I'm going to toggle over to Save Design and press that. Then from here, I'm going to click Add to Store. You can even add one to your cart, but I'm just going to connect it to my Etsy shop and I'm going to publish a new product, hit next. And then from there, you can choose your variants. So I have it dark, the sizes, all of them I want. Then you're going to go over to next. So from here, you can pick a price. So you'll see your profit based on the price, what you change it to. I just think $73 is a bit high. So I made it about $50 so that each time you make a sale, you're making $13, which is great. It's more of a volume order, but it's an awesome, fun way to make money without even having to have your own inventory. Then I'm going to hit next, and here you can pick the mockup. So they give you free mockups to use, which is just awesome if you don't want to spend time making mockups. That can be really time consuming. So I typically just use these. And if I want to create a mock-up again, you can use like what you did in Canva. Then there's all the measurements, and this is where you add the tags. So tags that I like to add are bookish, book talk, romance, fantasy, anything pertaining to books is good here. And you can go into Etsy and type in bookish and see what comes up when in the drop down bar, because that's what you can actually put as tags. That's just a little hidden hint there, but I will give you tips in the description later. So check that out and you can actually just copy and paste those too. But I'm just adding in different tags here. And then when you're done, you can kind of scroll back into little details or keep it as is. But once you're done with the tags, what I typically do is I scroll back up to description, and here is where I can actually change the title. So you don't want it to just be like snow fleece. You want it to be keywords in the title, because that's what will actually push it in Etsy's algorithm, because it's all SEO optimized. So again, I kind of put the saying that's on the sweater just to make it really clear. And then again, with those same tags, bookish gift, bookish gifts for women, book talk, fantasy, romance, anything like that that you want to put in there. Again, I'll have it in the description below. And when you're all done and everything's good, you hit submit to store, and it will literally paste it right to your Etsy store for you. Digital products do not need to take you all day to create, and I just showed you how easy it is to create your own. So now I'm going to put titles here. I'm going to put keywords on the screen, and then I am going to also give you a PDF down below that you can use to be a title, a description, and tags for your Etsy listing. So it's that easy. I hope you like the tutorial. Let me know down below any other digital products you'd like me to show you how to create. And until next time, happy creating.